Next up on multiplying integers on the number line, let's see what happens when our first term is a negative and our second term is a positive. So let's go ahead and work with a negative 4 multiplied by a positive 3. And so now for the very first time, we are seeing this first term as a negative number. So I'm going to go ahead and write here. So a negative means we are going to face left, right? So all of our negative numbers are this way. So finally, this little left-facing frog gets to go into use. Don't be so sad, friend. We need you too. All right, so we're going to face left, and then that 4 still tells us, that negative 4, I'm sorry, it still tells us that we are going to move 4 times. So we're going to, look, it keeps moving size. So we're going to jump 4 times. And then that negative means we're going to jump 4 times to the left. Okay. And then our second term is a positive 3. So that positive 3 means that we are going to jump forward because it's a positive. And since it's a 3, that means the size of our jump is 3. Okay, let's go ahead and jump our sad little frog. So already facing left, and we're moving forward. So forward to whichever direction the frog is facing. So we're going to be moving left, and we're going to go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There's our second jump. We're jumping 4 times. 1, 2, 3. And again, we're going to move off the number line a little bit. So there's negative 11, and there's oops, sorry about that. Negative 12 is right there. And so our last jump is going to go 1, 2, 3, right there to negative 12. So negative 4 times a positive 3 is going to get us at negative 12. Just a reminder from your notes, anytime you have a negative number times a positive number, that will result in a negative number.